No. Don't do it. Don't. Wait, don't. Please. I'm asking. Because I'm asking you. I'm just asking you. I know. No. I'm at the bus stop right now. Yes. Yeah. No. Just turn the car around. Just turn the car around. I promise. Hello? Hello? Oh my
Are you okay, sir?
Please, don't even think about me right now.
I mean, that's a little difficult. You just...
I don't care what I just did. And you shouldn't either. I don't know who the fuck you are. And I don't give a fuck. I'm sorry. The bus? Does the bus even come? The bus is so late. I'm gonna be late.
Where are you going?
The airport.
Me too.
Oh. Where are you flying?
Not flying anywhere, I actually just work there. I'm an aircraft marshal. Where are you flying?
I'm flying to Manchester.
Manchester by the sea, or?
No. Manchester, England. Not Manchester, Boston.
Wow. Why?
I'm sorry?
I said, wow. Why? Why are you going so far
Because,
away?
I'll tell you why. Because I need to stop my fiancé from abandoning our love. That's why.
Oh my God. Why?
Why what?
I'm sorry, that's none of my business. It's none of my business.
Jesus Christ. It's her father. That narcissist has taken it upon himself to convince a 32-year-old woman to abandon the man that she loves.
That is terrible. So right now, you are on your way to the airport to stop your fiancée from getting on a flight to Manchester, England, to return to the clutches of her domineering father.
Yes. That's exactly what I'm doing. That is exactly what I'm doing. And hopefully if I get there in time, I can catch her before she gets to security. But if not, I'm flying to Manchester. Because I just need to make sure that she's doing this because she wants to, and not because her father wants her to.
Why would her father want her to?
Just listen, I can see that I might be coming across as a maniac right now. But the truth is, it's very simple. Her father and I disagree politically. And for him, that's it. He won't give me his blessing. And if he won't give me his blessing, she won't marry me.
Does your fiance disagree with you politically?
Yes. She does. She and I disagree on many political issues. But we still love each other no matter what. I mean, it's not a reason to separate.
No, it never is. I mean, my uncle's a Republican. We still do paper mache once a month.
What does that mean?
Paper mache? I mean, it's strips of paper kind of glued together. You create animals. I mean, he typically abstracts them. He's kind of, I mean, my uncle's incredible. And on a whole nother level. I mean, it's obviously all, it just depends on how he pastes it. What were we, oh my god, clusterfuck. Political differences, I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's fine.
So what are you politically?
I'm a Republican.
Oh, you're a Republican?
Yeah. And she's a Democrat, and her father's British, so he's part of the Labour Party.
Well, I am a Democrat too, and here we are having a wonderful conversation.
Exactly.
What are you going to say at the airport?
What?
What are you going to say to her when you get to the airport?
I actually don't know yet.
You don't know?
No.
You have to know.
No, you're
You
right.
have to know.
You're right. But I just haven't had enough time. It just happened, and so I've been trying to figure out what to say.
I'm her.
What do you mean?
I'm her. Let's practice. We're at the airport. What airline is it? What airline? Let's set the scene.
I think JetBlue. But
Okay, so JetBlue, so what is it? Tuesday afternoon, so gates 30 through 38, so let's say 36. Let's say 36. Okay, so let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, stand up.
Why?
What are you gonna do, sit there while she flies to Manchester? Stand up. Just trust me, you have to know what you're gonna say.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, your JetBlue Flight 274 from Detroit to Manchester by the Irish Sea will be leaving very shortly. If you are a veteran or you are disabled, you may board now. Otherwise, wait. What did you want to say to me? I heard. Just say how you feel.
Okay.
What?
Look, okay. I love you with so much,
With so much what?
forget that, look. Okay. It's devastating to me that you are willing to sacrifice 4 years of whatever this beautiful, insane...
Ladies and gentlemen, your JetBlue Flight 274 is now boarding Group A. I'm sorry, that's me. I'm getting on the
just
flight.
wait, I have to tell you. Please, just give me 1 second.
I'm going.
It will only take a second.
I'm flying to Manchester.
It's gonna be
I'm
very
returning
quick.
to my
I have to say
father.
this to you. Just wait, please, wait.
Get out of my way. Get out of my way right
Just give me
now.
1 second. Just
Why
give me
would I
1 second.
stay here?
Because I don't think that you want to leave. Just drop your bags and pocket your boarding pass. It will only take a second. It seems to me that your life is not your own. It's your father's. And that is devastating to me. Because you are the most unique, capable, beautiful, weird person that I know. Your father is unable to accept the humanity of anyone who thinks differently than him. I am one of those people. Am I not human? Look, if you don't love me anymore, then just go to Manchester. I mean, just fly to Manchester. Just go. But if you do love me, don't go. Sasha Maria Goldberg. Do you love me anymore?
I don't know. Yes, I do. Yes, I do love you.
I love you. I mean, I love you like a fucking werewolf. Every night, every single night, you're the full moon.
That is beautiful. Do you know how beautiful that was? Do you understand?
I don't know.
Well, you better. God, if I was on my ship right now, I would redirect her plane to stall her on the tarmac. I really would.
What do you mean?
I'm an aircraft marshal. I am an aircraft marshal.
What are you doing?
What are you? I am an aircraft marshal who is redirecting you to go get your love.
What are you doing?
Go!
Go where? I'm waiting for the fucking bus.
Oh fuck, I'm such a clusterfuck! The air tram, it runs every 5 minutes to the airport. 4 blocks down McDougal and 1 block south.
What the fuck? Why didn't you tell me that before? Why are you waiting for the bus? What are you
Because
doing?
I like the peace and quiet of the bus.
I don't
The car
care.
is so
I don't
loud.
care. I don't care.
And you shouldn't. Go!
Honey? Baby? Hi. Have you seen a man around
Ma'am?
here? Man?
What political party are you affiliated with? For example, I am a Democrat. You are? Sorry.
I'm a Democrat. It's okay.
Is your name Sasha Maria Goldberg?
Yes, it is. Yes, why?
Here's what you're going to do, Sasha. You are going to sprint and scream 4 blocks down McDougal and 1 block south to catch your beautiful Republican love before he gets on that flight to Manchester.
You're right.
Go!